Hello everyone, today I am going to Unit 2 Net JRF based question on instrumental analysis. I am Dr. Anjani. First question is going on the topic of microscopy. Who is the known as father of microscopy? Anton van Leeuwenhoek, who is known as English father of microscopy. Robert Hooke, who is known as the father of optical theory. Ernest Abbe, invention of spectacles took place in 13th century. Who discovered Fournier of compound microscope? J. Janssen and Hans. Microscope is modified form of compound microscope. Our eye are separated by a distance about 6.5 centimeter. Human eye is unable to distinguish the object smaller than 0.1 nanometer. All types of microscopic function of the principle and properties of light. Light is an electromagnetic wave. Light travels in a straight line in the form of photon energy. Substances which emit light of their own are known as self-luminous. Laser standard for light amplification by simulated emission of radiation. Light rays radiated from the same source having same frequency can firmly hold together, known as coherent. The ratio intensity between image and its background is known as contrast. Higher and density of medium, greater the value of reflective index. The reflective index of water is 1.33. Types of aberration in lenses are monochromatic and chromatic. Polarizing microscope was invented by Talbot. Polarizing microscope is based on the principle of vibration of light. The device which detects whether any given light is polarized or unpolarized is analyzer. Ordinary light is unpolarized. Polarizer and analyzer both may be prepared from polarized film of calcite. Analyzer is located above the objective. Polarizer is placed between the light source and a specimen stage. Material and exhibit bridge fragments are referred anisotropic. Materials that do not exhibit Bayer fragrance as are referred as isotropic. Polarized light is produced when light waves lie in one plane. Polarizing microscope is used for analysis of cement. Who invented comparison microscope? Calvin Goddard. Comparison microscope is used for comparison of hair fiber, nail extraction, bullet extraction, and pin marks. The first modern stereo microscope was named as cycloptic. A stereoscopic microscope was designed by Greenouch. A stereoscopic microscope is commonly known as Dissecting binocular microscope. Stereo microscope provide 3D visualization. Stereoscopic microscope transmitted twin images. The total magnification of the stereo microscope may range between 2x to 500x. In forensic science, stereo microscope is used for examination of both hair and fiber. Disputed document fiber A and B. Fluorescence microscope was introduced by Kunz. Exogenous fluorescent molecules usually used in fluorescence microscopy are known as A, B, and C. Fluorescence dye, fluorochromes. Transmitted light illumination microscope is known as diascopic fluorescence, a filter designed to absorb any remaining exciting radiation is called as blocking filter. Quartz halogen tungsten filament lamp produces light in which region of visible spectrum blue wind. Beam splitter is designed to reflect lights of lower wavelength. Which of the following perform dual function in illumination? Objective lens, emission and exclusion filter are usually a special type of filter referred as inference filter. Indirect immunofluorescence is used to detect insoluble antigen. Electron microscope was co-invented by Max Knoll and Ernest Rust. SEM stands for scanning electron microscope. SEM provide resolution of 3.5 nanometer to 10 nanometer. TEM stands for transmission electron microscope. TEM provide resolution of 1 nanometer. TEM provide visualization of internal structure. SEM gives visualization of surface view. The wavelength of electron radiation used in electron microscopy is about 0.005 nanometer. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. A collection of electrons occurs in the space is known as space charge. Condenser lens coil system is used to collimate the electron beam. Temperature of light nitrogen is 196 degrees Celsius. The common fixative used in electron microscopy is osmium tetraoxide. Slicing of biological specimen into thin sections is known as microtome. SEM is also has application in metallurgy. Which microscope is most frequent used and versatile microscope found in crime laboratory? Stereoscopic microscope. Which microscope has found wide application for examination of fire brigade material present in soil? Polarizing microscope. Which microscope can be used in determining whether or not a suspect has recently fired a gun? A scanning electron microscope. A spectroscopy is interaction between material and electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation are transverse in nature. The physical properties on which spectrophotometry based is absorption and emission of radiation. Energy is absorbed or emitted by nature in discrete amount called as quanta. The visible region of a spectrum stands between violet and red color region. The visible spectrum is termed VIBGYOUR. In a simple molecule, the following type of bands are obtained: narrow bands, complex molecules shows the following types of band. Discrete bands in an atom electronic transmission are followed by vibrational and rotational transitions. The region lies below the visible region is ultraviolet. The region lies above visible region is infrared. Instrument used for measuring absorption in the visible region is colorimeter. The radiation source used for visible region is tungsten filament lamp. UV visible spectroscopy follows the principle of Beer and Lambert's law. UV visible spectrophotometry is mainly used for quantitative analysis. UV visible spectrophotometry is a useful auxiliary tool for structural elucidation. The radiation source used for ultraviolet region is deuterium lamp. Mercury deuterium lamp. The UV spectroscopy deuterium lamp is used to get high density diffraction. Grating is used to monochromator. Monochromator is used for wavelength section. The satisfactory material for simple cell is visible region is made up of Pyrex glass. Photovoltaic cells are also known as barrier layer cells. The intermediate anode is also known as dianode. Dianode is a part of photomultiplier tube. The wavelength range 2000 angstrom to 2000 angstrom to 4000 angstrom is known as near UV region. The region below 2000 angstrom is used as far UV region. Allowed transmission are generally due to pi minus pi star radiation transition. Compound staining sigma bonds do not absorb UV radiation. Shifting of absorption a maximum towards longer wavelength take place in bathochromic shift. The most commonly employed solvent in UV visible spectrophotometry is 90% ethanol. Which of the following compound absorb UV radiation? Ethylene. Which of the following transition need greater energy? Lambda greater than sigma greater than sigma star. The application of UV visible spectroscopy is our ink examination, determination of drug and metabolites, fiber examination. All of the above. UV absorption spectroscopy is one of the best methods for detecting impurity in organic compounds. The most powerful analytical technique which offers the possibility of chemical analysis is infrared absorption spectroscopy. The infrared region range from visible to 1.2 micron is considered as photographic region. The infrared region ranges from 1.2 micron to 2.5 micron is considered as very near IR region. The infrared region range from 2.5 micron to 2.25 micron is considered as near IR region. The infrared region range from 25 micron to 500 micron is considered as far IR region. The very near infrared region is also known as Overton region. The near infrared region is also known as vibration region. The far infrared region is also known as rotation region. Other than gathering monochromator, the other type used is prism monochromator. Which of the following is not used as radiation source in far infrared region? Incandescent lamp. Incandescent lamp. Which of the following technique can be used for the characterization of all three phases via solid, liquid and gas infrared? Which of the infrared region is considered for the analysis of drugs and pesticide? Middle IR. The IR spectrum of a chemical substance is fingerprint for its identification. When infrared ray passes through the sample and the vibration and rotational energy of the molecules increases. Which of the following is variation of fundamental nature? Stretching, binding, both A and B. Bending vibration occurs at higher wavelength. Vibrational frequency of a bond can be calculated accurately by the application of Hooke's law. Pressed pallet technique is used for the sampling of solid. Mull technique is used for sampling of solid. Which of the following is used for detector in IR absorption spectroscopy? Biometer, thermocouple, semiconductor detector, all of the above. In frontier transform IR, the sample is not subjected to thermal effect. A circular device that rotates at a definite speed and reflects the sample and reference beam to a monochromator is known as chopper. The interaction between vibration of molecular bond is known as vibrational coupling. The unit to express the position of IR peaks is microns. How many fundamental vibration frequencies are observed in infrared spectrum of water? 3. The types of bend shift when two atoms move up and below the plane with respect to central atom is wedging. When two atoms approach each other, the types of bending is called as scissoring. SCISSORING. IR spectroscopy is used in the analysis of explosive paint, pigment, all of the above. From the signal IR spectrum of an unknown substance, it is not possible to know whether it is a pure compound or mixture of a compound. Atomic absorption spectroscopy was given by Alan Wallace. The most widely used light source in AAS is hollow cathode lamp. In order to achieve absorption of atoms in AAS, of the techniques require atomizer. The process of information of small droplet from the a small droplet from the liquid sample is called as nebulization. Which of the following is used as a detector of in AAS? Photomultiplier tubes, quantum measurement by AAS are generally based on calibration cubes if two elements are to be tested by AAS, which of the following should differ? Radiation source, which of the fuel oxidant combination by is used for determination of approximately 35 element air acetylene, which of the following fuel oxidant combination is used for the determination of heat stable oxidized NO2 acetylene. AAS is used to determination of trace material. AAS is mostly employed in poisoning cases. NMR stands for nuclear magnetic resonance. The protons attached in the same environment is called equivalent protons. For the protons attached with different environment is called non-equivalent proton. The device attached with NMR spectrophotometer, which draw another line on the spectrum, is called integrator trace. The horizontal scale of NMR spectrum represents which points at right hand end of the scale 0 point. The difference in the absorption position of the H atom with respect to a standard TMS peak is known as chemical shift. The unit NMR measurement is Tesla. The most commonly used solvent in NMR CCl4 and CS2. The NMR radiation observed the region radio wave. The frequency of radio wave lies between 10 के power 7 to 10 के power 8 CPS. TMS stand for teramethylsilane. How many equivalent protons does TMS have? 12. Which type of coupling in seen in NMR? Spin-spin coupling. Coupling consist is denoted by symbol J. The phenomenon of NMR was reported independently by two groups. CAT stand for Computer Average Technique. X-ray wire discovered by Roentgen. X-ray are produced from anode. The X-ray which is not deflected by electric or magnetic field is X-ray. X-ray diffraction pattern is named as diffractogram. X-ray produces photoelectric effect. The component of X-ray source is Coolidge tube. X-ray region line in the wavelength region of about 1 into 10 के power 11, 1 into 10 के power minus 8 meter. Which of the following collects X from the target source? Collimator. Narrow beams, particle or wave produce alignment of a specific direction. X-ray are specifically used for the identification of lipstick explosive fiber. Chromatography. The first chromatographic technique was invented by MTS weight. The word chroma stands for color. MTS weight spared plant pigment. Chromatography is based on principle of selective distribution. When the stationary phase is solid, the basic of chromatography is adsorption. When the stationary phase is liquid, the basic of chromatography is partition. RT stands for retention time. Plate theory was developed by A.J. Porter, Martin, and Lawrence Millington Synge. Plate theory describes the chromatography system as being in equilibrium. Thin layer chromatography is a type of adsorption chromatography. The process of adsorption of person is based on affinity. The material over the through which is the mobile phase is flushed is called a stationary phase. The material carrying the mixture is known as mobile phase. In a chromatographic system, K is referred as distribution coefficient, partition coefficient, both B and C. HEPTS stands for the height equivalent of theoretical plates. The theory which is able to explain the effect of variable is Reid theory. Thin layer chromatography was developed as a procedure by Stahel. TLC was first introduced by E.J. Melo Schreiber. The basic principle on which TLC is based upon capillary action. The following is a synonym for TLC: drop, spread layer, surface chromatography. When a stationary phase is more than the mobile phase, system is referred as normal phase system. The thickness of absorption layer in TLC is 0.25 nanometer. The following is the mixed in the slurry to make the stationary phase firmly attached to the plate binder. The inert fluorescence indicator added to TLC plate zinc silicate. The most commonly used binder in TLC is gypsum. The other name of gypsum is calcium sulfate. Commonly used TLC detecting agent is olivine, bromine vapor, ninhydrin, dragon drop reagent, all of the above. Prepared TLC plate can activated at a term temperature of 110 degrees Celsius. Increasing temperature may cause slight decrease in RA value. Increasing if the chemical nature of the solutes to a separated is known, then the possible suitable solvent can be determined by Stahel triangle. GLC was first introduced by A.J.P. Martin and A.T. James. The solid chromatography was developed by G.D. Kohler and K. Thiele. The most commonly used carrier gas is H2He, N2, hydrogen, helium, nitrogen. All of the above. H2 and He are most suitable used carrier gas with the following detector TCD. N2 and He are the most suitable used carrier gases with the following detector FID. WCOT stands for wall coated open tubular. Which of the following gas is unsuitable for use as a GC carrier gas? Oxygen. Which of the following is not a type of gas chromatography? TLC. The length of packed column in GLC is 1.5 to 1.10 nanometer. FSOT stands for focused silica open tubular. The most commonly used support material in GLC is silicate. Diatomaceous silica GC is used as support material. The stationary phase chemicals in GCLC are high boiling point organic compound. The tubular columns are also known as Galois column. TCD has detectivity of 1 Ng, FID has detectivity of 100 Pg, ECD has detectivity of 50 Fg. ECD is mostly used for detection of electromagnetic species. GC finds its diverse application is toxicology analysis, paint analysis, blood alcohol analysis. All of the above. The written record of separation of component in GC is called chromatogram. HPLC stand for A and B, high pressure liquid chromatography, high performance liquid chromatography. In reverse phase chromatography, the separation of sample component is done by extraction process. Common mobile phase employed in HPLC is B and C, methanol and acetonitrile. The elution process in a HPLC system may be isocratic gradient. In isocratic elution, the composition of solvent is constant. In gradient elution process, the base for solvent is polarity. Which of the following has been used as column packaging material of HPLC? Bonded phase silica, pellicular packing, microprons. Microprons is a type of packing material. Column in HPLC can withstand pressure up to 6000 to 8000 psi. A new technology employed in HPLC is HPTLC. High pressure liquid chromatography, high pressure thin layer chromatography, electrophoresis, the separation technique involving the movement of charged particle through a mixture matrix under the influence of an applied electric field is called electrophoresis. The first electrophoresis observation was made by Alexander Reuss. Zone electrophoresis was discovered by Koenig. Zone electrophoresis is an electrophoresis in stabilizing media. The electrical field in which the charged particle migrates with the velocity is referred as electrophoretic mobility. Migration of charged particles must be increased by greater than number of charges. Molecules that bear both positive and negative charges is called as Jupiter ions. The relationship between the net charge of a molecule to its size and expressed as charge to mass ratio. Agarose is extracted from seaweed. Agarose is made by polymerization of agarobioge. Agarose is porous matrix used in various molecular biology technique is made by repetitive unit of maltose. Agarose is derived from the agar of Galidiamancy. The T of polyacrylamide. Polyacrylamide gel represents total percentage concentration of monomer. The low voltage electrophoresis voltage does not exceed 4000 volt. LVPE stands for low voltage paper electrophoresis. LVP is used for the separation of protein and enzyme. The HVP, the application of high voltage should 2500 to 5000 volt. High voltage copper electrophoresis is used for the separation of small molecule. Protein can be visually directed in gels by staining them with dye. Characteristics of gel filtration column: smaller proteins enter the beads more rapidly. Large protein elute first. Agarose gel electrophoresis and pulsed field gel electrophoresis may be used to resolve respectively 20 kb and 2000 kb DNA. Which of the following is an immunodiffusion test? Double diffusion, gel diffusion, or Auster-Loney technique? All of the above. In STS page, proteins are denatured by STS. Proteins have the same charge to mass ratio. A smaller protein migrate more rapidly through gel. In STS page, the protein sample is first treated with reducing agent and then the anionic detergent followed by fractionation by electrophoresis. Fraction by electrophoresis then treated with the oxidizing agent following by ionic detergent. In STS phase, the protein sample is first treated with reducing agent, then with an ionic detergent, followed by fractionation by electrophoresis. Phase technique was introduced by Raymond and Weintraub. Starch-gel electrophoresis was introduced by Smiths. The main drawback of starch gel electrophoresis is its unlimited pore size. Page stands for polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis. SDS stand for sodium dodecyl sulfate. In a native page, protein are separated on the basis of net charge and size. Protein are separated in SDS page on the basis of molecular weight. The principle of immunoelectrophoresis is antigen body specificity. Molecular sieving, gel diffusion, all of the above. 2D page of combination of both A and B IEF SDS page. Gel electrophoresis is based on all size, electrical charge, physical properties. In isoelectric focusing, proteins are separated on the basis of their relative content to positively and negatively charged residue. Immunoelectrophoresis is also known as gamma globulin electrophoresis. The specific type of protein residing on the surface of RBC are called antigens. IFE stands for immunofixation electrophoresis. Counter immunoelectrophoresis was originally described by Bussard. Rest test is radioallergosobent test. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.